DLyte's advanced surface finishing machinery is engineered to excel in surface finishing applications. Thanks to DryLyte, the innovative dry electropolishing technology, this solution outperforms traditional methods such as abrasive finishing, robotic grinding, and metallic brushing. It also transcends geometry limitations and revolutionizes finishing processes like smoothing, mirror finish, deburring, and inner channel polishing. All of them are suitable for sectors including aerospace, automotive, dentistry, medical devices, luxury, food, and pharma, among many others. The DLyte systems utilize solid electrolyte particles to conduct electricity and remove oxides during the electropolishing process. These particles can be found in various media, including gas, liquid, or a gaseous mixture, adapting to the specific application to modify their dynamic and electrical behavior while also providing protection against oxidation. Our patented DryLyte technology ensures a flawless finish, devoid of surface imperfections, whilst processing intricate parts without compromising their shapes. Its versatility extends to treating a wide range of materials, including tungsten carbide. By combining the electrical flow from a high-precision rectifier with the movement of the parts through the electropolishing media, an ion exchange occurs that selectively removes material from the roughness peaks. The primary polishing activity occurs when the particle interacts with the surface, acting as an active ion exchange particle. The main innovation underlying DryLyte technology, compared to traditional electropolishing, is the use of activated particles through a confined electrolyte, concentrating the treatment of activity on the particles themselves and allowing for greater control over the process, preserving edge sharpness and reaching internal cavities that are challenging to access mechanically. DLyte delivers mirror-like corrosion-resistant finishes with minimal material removal. It also preserves geometry, ensuring repeatability and achieving best-in-class surface smoothness. DLyte, the revolution in metal surface finishing.